Here's an easy and yummy one. I have a boneless, seasoned up with spices, pork loin, and here in a hot skillet with a little oil, I'm searing it on all sides. Not cooking it all the way through because we're going to put it in the oven as soon as that gets to temperature about 350. Okay, so like I said, it's all spiced up, but I'm going to do one more thing before I put it in the oven. This Kinder brand is well known, and they have lots of glazes and spices and rubs. This is a glaze, and I'm going to get that on there. Just all coating, and along with the pork lends to the flavor in the pan. That'll be really good. So let's cover it up and get in the oven. But you know what I do partway through? So it doesn't dry out so much or scorch the bottom. I leave a little peephole foil, and I put some water in there. All right. Once it's done, I let it rest. You don't want all the juice running out. Okay, well, I get the rest of dinner on the table. And then last to that yumminess, look, I put a little bit of butter in there. And along with the water and the fond that's left from the good pork, what flavor you'll get. The butter gives it like a smooth glaze. Real yummy. It just adds to it. And there we have it. So here you go. I checked the temperature and it came to, I used the little help of this thermometer that can go in the oven totally. And here you go. So it's not overcooked. And we just have a baked potato and broccoli and cheese sauce. Okay, and then one final touch. Remember I made the glaze? I almost forgot it. I said to the thing, give me your dish back. So there it is. So much better.